Today I'm going to show you how I repaired a Yaskawa inverter that wasn't working at all and wasn't displaying anything on the screen. To access the power supply and perform the necessary measurements, I first need to desolder the pins that interconnect the electronic boards. This allows me to separate the modules and inspect each section of the circuit individually. After performing several measurements, I concluded that the integrated circuit responsible for supplying the transformer's primary stage is faulty. I replaced the blown fuse on control pin 1, where a 0 ohm resistor was used as a protective element, as well as the faulty integrated circuit. I reassembled the boards in order to carry out the necessary tests and measurements. I have finished assembling and will run a test to check the result. As you can see, we have positive results. F000 appears on the display, indicating that everything is working correctly. Next, I will set up the inverter in order to perform tests with the motor. Now I will run tests to see if the inverter drives the motor. As can be seen, the inverter is operating correctly. It drives the motor according to specifications with proper startup, acceleration, and precise speed control. This was the repair and testing process of the Yaskawa inverter. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment with your questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.